Welcome to Nuer Tube. Biak Malka Nuer Tube. In today's lesson, we are going to learn these basic English and Thok phrases. English and Thok Number one, I miss you so much. I miss you so much, my brother. And chajitim along damar. I miss you so much, my brother. And chajitim along damar. I have been so tired searching for you. And chachuja long kogoro. And chachuja long kogoro. I have been so tired searching for you. And chachuja long kogoro. Number 3. I miss you deeply, my brother. And chajitim along damar. And chajitim along damar. Searching for you has left me so tired. Searching for you has left me so tired. Kagora keji cha jakashuch. Kagora keji cha jakashuch. Okay, hold on. Kagora keji cha jakashuch. Searching for you has left me so tired. Kagora keji cha jakashuch along. My brother, I miss you so much. Damar chajitim along. My brother, I miss you so much. Damar chajitim along. Number 6. I have been exhausted trying to find you. I have been exhausted trying to find you. And chachuch kagora keji here. And chachuch kagora keji. And chachuch kagora keji. I have been exhausted trying to find you. Well, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe for more video. Thank you. Bye-bye.